First thing I want to say is we are not Instacart shoppers.
We're entrepreneurs.
We're entrepreneurs. But just know that we grinding. Anyone can do what we're doing. So just make sure you hit that subscribe. Make sure you follow along. And if you want to make this type of money, just do what we doing. Like watch the videos. I mean, that's what we doing it for, really. Yeah. $1,476. And the way we did this is
hop in a whip and I'm out. I need so much I can't count. Oh, and I don't need no college, cause I'm getting stupid amounts.
we back with another one. $1,400 in 2 days. There's been people saying that we couldn't do it again. Like, Bella, we can't do it?
Y'all said.
So, wait up. I heard that it was impossible to hit 2K plus a week.
It's oversaturated.
Saturated. That was the word. That was the word. I heard that it was too saturated to hit 2K a week again. So you know what we did? What are we doing right now, Bella?
Hitting 2K.
Hitting 2K. Hitting 2K.
Plus.
So 2K plus. Let's stay up to date right now. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. Before we get into the numbers for the last 2 days, we had questions about taxes. We are not tax professionals, but
At all.
we will make a video about taxes and how we handle taxes. We actually don't handle our own taxes. We have family members who are like professionals at this, who are a part of our business. Actually, guys, we run a business, an LLC. So all of our income gets funneled through a LLC. It's not mine, it's not hers, it's our business, okay? And then we do things with the business. We do taxes through the business. Everything is through the business. But that being said, we'll touch up with the taxes in another video. But for now, let's jump into what we brought into the business. The word on the street was that, you know, it's impossible to make 2K a week. So we're gonna show you guys 2K a week this week, both of us. If you don't recall Bella saying this in the last video. Bella, you wanna do the honors?
We both.
You wanna do the honors?
We're both gonna make 2K.
All right, we'll both do it. Yeah, so it's not luck, it can't be luck. We'll both hit another $2,000 a week for you guys. If you haven't watched that last video, make sure you go watch that video. We ain't gonna sit here all night. I don't feel like sitting here all night. So let's make this quick. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe. And yeah, you're gonna get some juicy stuff on here. But anyways, let's start off with the how much we made over how much we made in 2 days.
1,400.
1,400? 1,400?
Yep.
I mean, I think that's a good way to start off the week.
In 2 days.
In 2 days? You go first, ladies before gentlemen. Read your first 2 days.
Hold on. So Monday the 31st was 294, and then June 1st, which is today, 409.
What?
There you go.
Hold on. What is the picture of that one? With 703 in 2 days. Bella, in 2 days, brought in $703, right? Woo!
Yep.
But that's one income stream into the company. Let's talk about the other income stream into the company. Let's see what I brought in 2 days. All right. So yesterday, we brought in a whopping 371. All right. And today, y'all want to see it? They want to see it?
They're not ready for it.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Boom, boom, boom. 402. All right, so that gives us a total of, what's the total? 773, and in 2 days, 703, which is a total of what?
1,476.
How many batches you do on Monday?
I did 6 on Monday.
6 batches on Monday, and how many did you do today?
6.
6. Oh, okay. She did 6 batches Monday and 6 batches today. I know mine's a little bit higher than that. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 batches on Monday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 batches today. Jeez. So we could say that Instacart favors her a little bit more than me. Honestly, this was a challenge. Somebody challenged us. This is what happened.
Somebody challenged us.
Somebody said that it was impossible to make these type of numbers still, and I told you guys that the only reason why we haven't been hitting these numbers is because we're doing things with the business. There's a ton of other stuff we're doing, and then we're filming. It's taken away from the time of us doing the Instacart, but we're doing this week just to show you guys that we can
really make.
We can do it any week we want. any week we want. And it all gets funneled to the company, right? And this is all with Instacart right now. This is all with Instacart. So if you haven't already, make sure you join the squad. Click the link down below if you guys haven't signed up to Instacart already. But just know that we grinding. Anyone can do what we're doing. So just make sure you hit that subscribe. Make sure you follow along. And if you want to make this type of money, just do what we doing. Like watch the videos. I mean, that's what we doing it for, really. Yeah. $1,476. And the way we did this is literally what we explained in the last video. If you haven't seen the last video, we're gonna post the card up here somewhere. So that being said, let's clock out. We're not gonna make this video too long. You guys already know what it is. Until the next one, we out. Peace.
Peace.